Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And after that, by default, you will be on this overview section. So you can either tap on this deposit button in the overview section, or you can even tap on spot in the top. And then you need to tap on deposit. Afterwards, you are going to see a bunch of different currencies and coins list. So among these, you just have to select that particular currency in which you want to deposit your money in Binance. So let's say you want to do it in euro. So you need to use the search bar, and in the search bar, you simply need to type euro. After that, you need to tap on euro in order to select it. And then you will be redirected on the next page. Now over here, it will show you the currency that you have selected and the recommended option that you can use to deposit money in your Binance account. As you can see over here that it is showing you the bank card, which is the Visa card, and you need to pay 2% fee on this option. If you want to change your currency, then you need to tap on this drop arrow button. And in the search bar, you simply need to search for any other currency. So after selecting Australian dollar, it is showing me other recommended option. So you just have to select your currency. And after that, you need to select the credit card option. It really depends on country to country, as I have shown you over here. So after selecting your currency, if you are able to see the credit card option, then you need to select that option. And then you need to press continue in the bottom. Once done, it will ask you to upgrade your services. For that, you need to first complete your personal verification. Then you need to activate your fiat service. And after that, you need to share your account information. So over here, you need to press this Start Now button in the bottom. And after that, you need to check this box of terms and conditions. And then you need to press Start. After that, you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to activate your fiat service. And once you have successfully activated the fiat service, you will be able to deposit money on Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.